Guys, there's a bird over there. Can you see under there? Can you see? Do you know birds are gentle creatures? And now we are going to learn about this bird's egg. This bird has some eggs under his body. Okay? The bird is really protective of his eggs. If you went to see that bird closely, that bird will peck your body and he will go far away when you run. So don't go really close to the bird and looking far away, okay? That bird is fluffy, but you can't touch him. If you touch that bird, will think we are going to hurt his eggs, okay? That bird gives me a warning call that I am too close to the eggs, so I have to be far away. So the bird is sitting on the eggs to keep them warm. If they will not be warm, they will never ever hatch again. Okay? That bird is sitting on the eggs for whole day. So the eggs will be warm and the eggs will hatch and the birds will be big and go away. And this is the end of our video. If you wanna one of my other videos, click the subscribe button underneath the egg. Okay, goodbye.